I'm going to show you how to make this gluten-free coffee cake that is rich and tender in crumb with an irresistible cinnamon pecan streusel that is in both the filling and the topping using some of my favorite Bob's Red Mill gluten-free products. First, let's make that tasty cinnamon crumb topping by combining Bob's Red Mill gluten-free 1-to-1 baking flour with brown sugar, granulated sugar, pecans, cinnamon, salt, and some cold unsalted butter. Smush it together with your fingers and set it aside. Next, let's make that coffee cake batter. First, whisk together your dry ingredients. Then, in a separate bowl, cream together butter, brown sugar, and granulated sugar. Then add an egg, one at a time, beating thoroughly after each one. And don't forget a splash of vanilla. With the mixer on low speed, add your dry ingredients along with some sour cream in 2 or 3 increments, alternating between the sour cream and the dry ingredients, mixing until just combined. Add half of the cake batter to a parchment-lined 9-inch baking pan. Spread it evenly. Then, we're going to top the cake batter with half of our cinnamon crumb topping. Then add the rest of the cake batter on top, spread it on that crumb topping as best as you can, then finish it off with more crumb topping and let it bake. The only thing left to do is grab your favorite cup of coffee or tea, sit down, and enjoy your tasty slice of coffee cake.